Hello and welcome to another cozy video. Today, I will be showing you how I decorated my Steam Deck. In this video, we will go over how I applied an iron-on patch to the Steam Deck carrying case, tips and tricks on how to apply a full vinyl wrap, and try on some Steam Deck compatible accessories. There is also some bonus gameplay footage at the end with some of my currently favorite cozy games to play on the Steam Deck. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Here are some examples of iron-on embroidery patches I got from Daiso. When you are shopping at Daiso or other dollar shops, make sure you check the packaging to confirm that they are iron-on patches and not just stickers. Since the Steam Deck carrying case has a fabric outer shell, stickers will fall off easily. After deciding where you would like the patch, remove it from the carrying sheet and apply it to the case. In this video, I will use a Cricut mini press to apply the iron-on patch. You can also use any regular iron for this. All supplies I used in this video will be linked in the description below. To start, adjust the heat setting to low. Once the indicator light switches to green, grab a heat-resistant mat and use it to cover the case and patch. Next, gently apply pressure around the patch to activate the adhesive and ensure it adheres to your Steam Deck case. Done. That is not going anywhere. Now the fun part. I know this looks intimidating, but I promise, it's not that bad. The vinyl is very forgiving. So, as long as you take your time and be patient, you can definitely do this. To start, remove any vinyl pieces that won't be attached to the deck. Make sure to do this for all three panels, including the front, back, and side panels. I am going to start with the back piece. Here I am using the case to hold it in place. First, wipe down all surface areas with alcohol to remove any dust and oil. Take off the complete back piece from the carrying sheet. Carefully lay down the vinyl from left to right, but avoid applying too much pressure at this stage. Once you have positioned the piece somewhat centrally, use a squeegee to press down on the vinyl starting from the middle and gradually moving outward. This is where the difficult part comes in. Any curved sections will require some finesse. In this case, I will be using a Ranger's heating tool, but a regular hair blow dryer can also do the trick. If your vinyl begins to wrinkle around the curved edges, lift it up and use a gentle circular motion with the heating tool to heat up that specific area. Once heated, the vinyl will become more stretchy and easy to maneuver. Carefully pull on the vinyl and use your fingers or a silicone tool to press down and smooth out any wrinkles one small section at a time, pushing outward. Repeat these steps until you have wrapped the vinyl around the entire area. This is my favorite part because it's very satisfying. Hold the deck up and press down the extra vinyl around the top and bottom carefully. Pay extra attention to the outside edges of the bottom as there are more curved surfaces there. I am going to slow it down here so you can see how I pulled up the vinyl, heat it, pull it out, and smooth it down until there are no wrinkles left. Now let's do it all over again with the front panel. The front side is actually easier with less curved surfaces. It's okay if you don't get the vinyl wrap placement perfect on the first try. Many vinyl wraps are designed with removable vinyl, allowing you to easily remove and reapply until you're satisfied with the outcome. Just be mindful not to pull on the vinyl with too much pressure, as this may cause the vinyl to tear or stretch excessively. For the front panel, I am working my way from left to right, and pushing the vinyl from the middle towards the top and bottom of the deck. Always apply heat to those corner spots to get rid of any wrinkles. The silicone tip pens work great here to make sure the vinyl is nice and snug around the D-pad and each button. Here are the final pieces. We will be placing the handlebar piece on the most curved part of the deck, so take your time with this one. After you line up the piece, immediately start heating the vinyl. Continue to heat and smooth the vinyl with a silicone pen or your fingertips in order to gradually wrap it around the curved handle. Here, there is just too much excess vinyl to smooth over. This part is optional, but I chose to cut a small triangle off at the very end so I can smooth it out as much as I can. Now let's add the square trackpads to complete the look. I tested this and it does not affect using the trackpads in any way. The vinyl has a more grippy texture that personally I don't mind at all. Last but not least, don't forget about the top strip. This is the final stretch and then we will be done. Of course, we have to put on some matching thumb grips. To put them on, simply flip the entire thumb grip inside out, hold it with your thumb and let it pop onto the joystick. Check that the grip is wrapped all the way around the whole joystick to make sure it won't come off. I got these LLT sticklocks from their convention a while ago, so let's try them out. Sticklocks are designed to reduce the horizontal force applied to your joysticks when traveling. Works as intended. I don't know if I will ever take my deck out without a case though. Maybe I'll use these if I ever need to travel with the Xbox controller. If putting on a full vinyl wrap is too much for you, you may want to consider getting a protective case. I got this cute pastel purple one from AliExpress. Link is in the description. The case even has a built-in kickstand. This is a great alternative if you want to instantly change the look of your Steam Deck. The deck still fits in its original case perfectly with the hardshell case on.
神尊与掌门已在不点内消耗，请上神独自面见。三位请随我一起留在此处等候。无常，像冰封，居我生活的人。
Thank you so much for watching till the end of my first YouTube video. If this video provides value to you, please like and share. Comment below if you want to see more accessory review videos or gameplay videos. Good luck!